Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all fine, no? Very good. Okay, children. Now we are going to do warm-up exercise. Okay, first of all of you get up from your place and clap your hands, children. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. Claps make your nerves very active. Okay, then what we are going to do, no, we are going to do different kinds of claps today. First we are going to do one silent clap. Okay, silent clap means keep your fingers like this and do like this. Okay, this is a clap, but it is very silent, no? So silent clap. Very good, children. Then we are going to appreciate ourselves. Okay, that is also an appreciating clap. Like this, tap on your shoulder. That is appreciating clap. Very good, children. Very good. Next we are going to do one interesting clap, that is chapati clap. Okay, like this, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Very good, very good. All are you doing very nicely, children? Very good. Then we are going to do one butterfly clap. Keep your fingers like this and fold your fingers like this. Okay, then clap like this. Okay, this is butterfly clap. Very good, children. All done very nicely. You sit on your you sit down on your place, my dear children. Okay, now we are going to see one rhymes. Okay, the rhymes about a spider. The spider name is an Incy Wincy spider. The spider name is Incy Wincy spider. Okay, the Incy Wincy spider, what is going to do? No, this spider is going to climb up through this water spout. Okay, and reach the top of the building. Okay, you all seen this water spout in our house, no, to bring the water down from the top of the building to down. Okay, so now the spider is going to climb up to the top of the spout, water spout. Okay, then in that time the rain is coming, the sun is coming. What the rhymes is going to be? Okay, okay, children, now we can sing a rhymes. Okay, okay. Incy Wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Incy Wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy spider climbed up the spot again. So the Incy Wincy spider climbed up the spot again. Very good, children. You hope you all understood, I know. But once again I am telling that what the rhymes is teaching us. The spider first trying to go through the water spout, but the rain is coming and it is washed away. Again the spider is waiting, so the sun comes out and it dried up all the water, so that the spider once again try to climb up through the water spout and reach the top. Okay, this is the rhymes. Okay, from these rhymes what we understood, anything we want to reach the goal means we have to try again to reach the goal. Very good, children. All understood, I know. Now once again we are going to sing with the action. Okay. Incy Wincy spider climb up the water spout. Incy Wincy spider climb up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So incy wincy spider climb up the spot again. So the incy wincy spider climb up the spot again. Okay children, hope you all understood now. Very good, you all do the actions very well. Claps for you children. Very good, very good. Okay, what we are going to do at home is you do one drawing, that is about the spider. Draw one spider and color it. Okay, and wherever you saw the spider, you spot out the place and tell me tomorrow. Okay children, bye.